what this is. Uh-oh, something's going on. It is windy as crap out, like 45 mile-an-hour winds. Blowing the truck all around. I wonder what this is. I don't even know what this would be for. There's nothing really going on around here.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Adams and Franklin, effective until 4:09 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mont Alto, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
It's getting pretty dark now.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aaronsville, Quincy, Gettysburg National Military Park, Chambersburg, Bonneville, Heidelberg, Baylorville, Gettysburg, Guilford, McKnightstown, Hunterstown, and Gettysburg College. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 5 to 19. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in State College PA.